This is a one sink. Okay, this is a sink. See, this is a sink in which we wash utensils, and this is a tap. Sorry, this is a tab. Okay, this is a tab. Water comes here, and we wash utensils by the help of water. Can I tell you a secret? You don't need any friend to have conversations with. You don't need any teacher. Even you don't need any kind of partner to practice English with. Why? Because if you are alone right now, and if you are thinking that, how can I learn English? I do not have good environment to learn English. I do not have good friend or good partner to speak in English, then this video is for you. Don't skip this video till the very end, because in this video I will tell you the practical method by which you can improve your English. Why? Because today I'm going to describe the things which are in kitchen. I will tell you how can you describe what is around you. Okay, we will talk about it practically by making very simple sentences, and we will practice together. I just need yourself. You just need yourself. Why? Because when you will listen to me carefully while I will be practicing, then you will get to know how can you make sentences in English in a right way. So let's start our video without wasting our single second of time. So right now I am standing in the kitchen. अभी मैं अपने किचन में खड़ी हूँ. Okay, and I am recording myself in the camera, or I am making my video, or I am creating my video. So these are the first sentences that we made together. Okay, now let's talk about this kitchen. So guys, as you can see, this is a one sink. Okay, this is a sink. See, this is a sink in which we wash utensils, and this is a tab. Sorry, this is a tab. Okay, this is a tab. Water comes here, and we wash utensils by the help of water. In this side of tap there would be a hot water, and in this side of tap there would be a cold water. Okay, so we can wash utensils according to our preference. If we want hot water, we can use this. If we want cold, then we can use this. Okay, मतलब कि इस साइड से गर्म पानी आता है और इस साइड से ठंडा पानी आता है. ओके, सो हम जिस साइड से जैसे ठंडा या गर्म पानी चाहते हैं तो वैसे हम यूज कर सकते हैं. ओके, so this is how you can speak English. This is how you can describe whatever is around you. For example, this is a dish rack. As you can see, this is a dish rack, and many bowls. As you can see, there are some bowls, spoons, plates. Okay, this is a plate. This is a made of steel. Okay, and there are also some glasses which are kept here. Like, I just want to say many plates, glasses, bowls, and the big bowls as well as some cups are kept here for using. We use these. Okay, we use these every day, and this kitchen is not very big. But we have everything what we need. Okay, and that's enough for all of us, for all of our family members. Sorry. So as well as you can see, there is a one shelf, a plain shelf, and there are also some utensils which are made of steel, as you can see here. Okay, I'm not tall enough, I couldn't touch them. Okay, but I want to show you. See, there are many utensils, as you can see, and they are arranged properly, and these are arranged by my mother. Okay, she loves to organize the things in a well way. As well as there are some cups, okay, which we use for pouring tea whenever there are any of our relative came. So at that time we use these cups. Otherwise we use utensils which are made of steel. We use these on our daily basis. We have water in these, we have tea in these, okay, in these kind of cups. Okay, we use these. We use them very rarely. We use those cups very rarely, okay. And apart from this, as you can see, there are many containers, okay. We also use them for putting dal or sabzi, okay, as you can see here, this side of the corner, okay. So as you can see, there are many things about which we can talk. Just try to talk, as I have described the things which are in my kitchen, okay. I don't know, like I don't know a lot of vocabulary, but whatever I have explained these in my own words, okay. I have explained all the things, and that's how you can also practice naturally, positively. You don't need any partner, you don't need any teacher, you don't need any friend, okay. Don't make excuses. That's all for today, and if you want to learn practically, then like this video and subscribe my channel if you want to learn positively. Thank you.